Hello, I am Sarvashish Kumar Pal. Today I teach you how to establish the integration of parts formula and others. Before teaching, I am interested to say if you like my teaching and my video, please subscribe it. If fx and gx be derivable on x less than equal to b greater than equal to a, and if f dash and g dash are integrable, they are then a to b fx g dash dx is equal to fx gx a to b minus integration limit a to b gx f dash x dx. We have to prove this. If fx and gx be derivable on x less than equal to b greater than equal to a, and if f dash x and g dash x are integrable, they are then a to b fx g dash x dx is equal to fx gx a to b minus limit a to b gx f dash x dx. Okay. Now proof. The derivable fx gx derivative f dash x into gx plus fx into g dash x, we know that is integrable. Why? As the sum of products of integrable function. This is also integrable function, this is also integrable function, this is also integrable function, this is also. So sum of product of integrable function, so these are integrable function. So you can apply the fundamental theorem of integral calculus. What is the fundamental theorem of integration calculus? A to b fx gx derivative dx is equal to fx gx a to b. This is the fundamental theorem of integral calculus. Okay, if f dash x dx a to b, that is fx a to b, we know that. So here fx dx, so this now, so you can write here this equal to this, so you can write here this. Okay, a to b, this equal to fx gx a to b. Now you interchanging a to b fx gx dx is equal to fx gx a to b minus a to b gx f dash x dx, which I prove this. Okay. Now next my one solution. Next I show one solution. What is this? Cauchy-Schwarz inequality for integrable. If fx gx be bounded, number one, if fx gx be bounded and integrable on closed interval a b, then show that a to b fx phi x dx square is less than a to b fx square dx a to b fx phi x square dx. Why? How you can establish? In my earlier class I proved that Cauchy-Schwarz inequality. Cauchy-Schwarz inequality for a1 b1 any real or complex number, then a1 b1 mod r1 to n, that is equal to 1 to n a1 square to the power half b1 square summation I1 to n to the power half. In my earlier class, in my earlier video, I proved this. Now here I prove here we make solution such that since fx phi x is integrable on closed interval, so is square and fx phi x are also integrable. We know that the product of integrable function is also integrable. Phi x integrable, so phi x into phi x square is integrable. Fx square is integrable. Phi x fx integrable, so all are integrable. And xi r be arbitrary point, del r be any partition. Then you can write a to b fx phi x dx equal to limit delta tends to 0 summation f xi r phi xi r del r, which I told my earlier class. So here a to b fx square dx equal to limit delta tends to 0 f xi r whole square del r, a to b phi x square dx delta tends to 0 r1, so phi xi r square del r. So you, if a1 b1 dot dot n b1 b2 dot dot bn any set of positive and negative by Cauchy inequality, you can write this, which I here write. Okay, so here write you, okay, here you write, and you put ai square equal to this del r, bi square equal to this, br square equal to this. If you put this, you get this result. Okay, but the condition sign of equality holds. Sign of equality holds a1 by b1, a2 by b2, n by bn, or f xi r by del xi r, phi xi r, f xi r to phi xi r dot dot this. Okay, so you can f xi to phi xi to f xi n phi xi n, you can this equality hold, which fx is constant multiple of phi x. So thank you so much.